Jammu. The northernmost state of India is also the winter capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Famous for its enchanting landscapes and temples, the city of Jammu attracts thousands of visitors every year, making it an ideal tourism destination combining beauty and divinity. Also known as the City of Temple, devotees, young and old in large numbers, throng to the Vaishnav Devi temple every year on pilgrimage tours. With a significant development in infrastructure, the city of Jammu is slowly emerging as the economic capital of the state. Over the past few years, the city of Jammu has witnessed an influx of migrants from other places. This rapid expansion of the urban neighborhood has increased the city's population considerably, throwing up bigger challenges to the administration to meet their many demands. One such challenge is the supply of pure water. Currently, the city of Jammu is getting water from surface as well as subsurface sources, that is, Tavi River and a large number of tube wells. Tavi River transverses through and divides Jammu city in two parts. However, the city is presently experiencing an acute shortage of water, with the discharge in the existing tube wells diminishing rapidly. While the demand and supply ratio of the water is increasing day by day, it is projected that by 2026, the net deficit of water would be 178 MLD, that is 178 million liters per day, which is almost 8 times more than the current deficit of 22 MLD. The steady increase of population has also increased the net water demand, including a 10% institutional demand. By 2026, the population and the water demand are estimated to grow by over 25% and the demand for water by a whopping 125% by the year 2041. To overcome these challenges, Jammu and Kashmir Economic Reconstruction Agency, or the ERA, in consultation with the government of Jammu and Kashmir and approval from the Honorable Chief Minister of the state, has come up with a unique solution of augmenting the water supply to the city by tapping water from the Chenab river. While the river Tavi has become almost impossible for any further tapping to meet the water demands, the ERA has come up with the plan of transmitting water from the Chenab. Chenab gets its water from the snow melts further up. Being perennial and stretching over 900 kilometers, extraction of water from Chenab was the most optimal and cost-effective solution to the water woes of this area. Other factors that favored this implementation was the optimum and easy access to intake structure, land for setting up water pipeline, leveled land for setting up the water treatment plant, economical power consumption, etc. The water of the rising main from Chenab intake works will be pumped up to the proposed WTP, that is, water treatment plant at Gurapattan. The proposed treated water pipeline is about 20.5 kilometers from WTP, that is, water treatment plant, to the CPS, which is the central pumping station, Muthi.
The water pipeline will run all along the existing Ranbir Canal, which is the route of the gravity main.
From CPS Muthi, respective storage reservoir for west and east zone will be fed by pumping main with pressure management system. The implementation of this project involves setting up an intake well and pumping stations along the river. The water then enters the treatment plant where it is converted to clean water fit enough for domestic consumption. The water is then transported by gravitation to the MBR, that is Master Balancing Reservoir at Muthi. Overhead pumping station located at MBR then pump the water to the respective distribution zones with pressure management system. The augmentation process undertaken by the ERA is a two-phase project estimated to be completed in 3 years
at a cost of Rs 1817.05 crores.
In the first phase, the following components like intake waterworks, pumping stations, pumping machinery, water treatment plant, clear water tank, treated water conveyance, master balancing reservoir, overhead pump house, pumping machinery for west and east zones, pressure management system, internal storage reservoir to improvement in distribution system will be implemented
at a cost of 491.5 crores.
The second phase, implemented at an overall cost of Rs 325.55 crores, has the following components, namely pumping machinery and replacement, water treatment plant, clear water tank, treated water conveyance, pumping machinery for west and east zones, internal storage reservoir to improvement in distribution system, a timely land acquisition, financial support from Asian Development Bank, setting up other necessary infrastructure and support from all quarters will make this project a huge success. Once both the project phases are completed, the city of Jammu is hopeful of ending its water problems at least till the year 2041, which will result in a better and healthier lifestyle for its residents. The efforts put in by ERA in this project will add a new dimension in the history of Jammu.